Hi everybody, my name is Chris Mitchell. I'm a managed service consultant here at ProVail Tech. Today we're going to do a quick video on how you can go in and tweak or change the notification levels that Veeam uses for low data space, low data store space. Um, let's get into it. So once you're logged into your Veeam console, if you click on the little hamburger menu and go to General Options. Once you're in here, you'll see there's a tab for notifications. And in here are a couple different warning levels that you can alter. So one of the good options here is to leave them on default or even increase them depending on your standards. But when your backup storage hits 10% and there's no further changes that you can do, what you can do is you can come in here, lower it to 5% while you're waiting for the sales cycle or client to approve larger backup storage. This way it stops sending you failure tickets or warning tickets based off of hitting that 10% level, and you can manage the issues in the meantime. Same thing with data stores. Production data stores are important because as Veeam does a backup of a virtual machine, it will run a snapshot of that machine. If your data store space drops too low, those data stores, those snapshots can be impeded and create problems. In here, maybe you have a very large data store, and 10% is a ridiculously high amount. You can easily change that to 5%, and you could lower this threshold to maybe 3% or something like that. You can also turn off your license expirations and update notifications depending on some of those options that you want for your clients. And hit apply. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.